Happy Friday, everybody. I hope that you are enjoying your Friday so far. My name is Elke Feuer. I'm the founder of K-Writers. I'm also an author and an entrepreneur. And I help writers reach their writing goals by giving them easy to implement strategies that take them from idea to finished book. Today I'm going to talk to you about 5 ways writers can prepare for 2018. The first one is to reflect on your accomplishments. Often when we're looking at this time of the year, we're just looking at what we didn't do, what we should have done, and sometimes that can make us feel even more guilty and more stressed. And so that's why I always encourage writers to look at what you actually accomplished, because even though it might not be where you want to be, you'd be surprised a lot of times when you look at it that you did actually accomplish something, even if it was small. I always like to say progress, no matter how small, is still progress. So that is a great way to feel good that you are heading in the right direction, is to reflect on what you accomplished. The second thing is to identify what went wrong. Now, I'm not saying this for you to dwell and think about, oh my God, what didn't I do? It's really what went wrong. What stopped you or what hindered you? What obstacles did you have in 2017 that kept you from reaching your goals? And to look at it reflectively, as in, how can I make it so that those obstacles don't prevent me from achieving my goals in 2018? Sometimes, obviously, there are things that are outside of our controls, but the ones that are, if we recognize what went wrong, it will help us to say, what can we do so that we don't make those same mistakes in 2018? The third thing is to reaffirm your commitment to writing. At the end of the year, it's easy to get discouraged, especially when you do 1 and 2, which is reflecting on your accomplishments and identifying what went wrong. And sometimes you just need to realize that this is part of the journey, and that, 2000 or each new year is a new opportunity to start fresh and to reaffirm your commitment to write. And I think that's such an important step, to just reaffirm that. Number 4 is to set goals for 2018. Now, I know some people's eyes start twitching when they think about setting goals. So what I'm going to do is ask you to think about it as a decision rather than goals. What decision with your writing are you going to make in 2018? It can be something as simple as finish writing your book. That's a decision. Although technically it's a goal, sometimes we have to trick our minds into thinking of them a different way so we don't get overwhelmed with the thought of, oh my gosh, setting goals, or I'm not a goal setter. So I find that is one way to look at it a different way, and of how you can tackle setting goals, is to think of it as a decision. Number 5 is enjoy the holidays. Oh my goodness. I know if you're like me, where you're, focused on, what didn't go right this year, what are we working on for next year? And while that's important to do, it's an important step to make, it's equally important to make sure that you enjoy this time. So whatever it is that makes this time of the year fun for you, I want to encourage you to just take the time off of writing if you can, and just enjoy your family, enjoy your kids, do all the fun things that make the holiday fun for you. Because once that time is done, you've got all of 2018 to think about all the things that you need to do. So really take this time to enjoy the holidays. So there you have it, 5 ways that writers can prepare for 2018. And just to recap quickly, reflect on your accomplishments, identify what went wrong, reaffirm your commitment to writing, set goals for 2018, and enjoy the holidays. So I want to say happy holidays to all of you, and to enjoy the rest of your year. and also to invite you to check out the new K-Writers websites. I've updated a few new resources and tools there that if you're just starting out I feel will be helpful to you to help you in 2018 really hit the ground running when you get started. So the website is www.kwriters.com. Happy holidays.